If you've ever wanted faster meals, crispier edges, or more even cooking without always turning on a full-size oven, you already know how useful the right convection oven can be. The thing is, not all convection ovens are built the same. Some are better for air frying, some save more counter space, and others give you extra cooking functions for bigger meals. That's why we put together this list of the best convection ovens, each one standing out for a different kitchen need. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these convection ovens aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Black + Decker TO3250X SBD. This is the most budget-friendly convection oven on our list. This one makes a lot of sense if you want a roomy convection oven without spending too much. The biggest win here is the extra-wide interior. You can fit most standard 9 inches by 13 inches oven pans with handles, which is really useful if you already have baking pans at home. And that makes it feel practical right away. You can bake, broil, toast, or keep food warm. Plus, the convection fan helps circulate warm air through the oven, so food can bake faster and more evenly. You also get a dedicated toast timer, which is great if you like your toast a certain way. You can choose the shade more predictably instead of guessing every time. And for longer cooking, there's a 60-minute timer with stay-on functionality. Now, another nice touch is the 3-rack positions. You can move the rack around depending on what you're making. That gives you more flexibility. And here's what Andrew says. This Black + Decker 8-slice convection toaster oven has been a workhorse in our kitchen, and I couldn't be happier with the purchase. The extra-wide interior easily fits a 9x13 baking pan, a whole 12-inch pizza, or 8 slices of toast simultaneously, which is a game-changer for family meals. So if you want a roomy convection oven that keeps things budget-friendly, this Black + Decker is a smart pick. Number 6 is the Hamilton Beach Quantum. This is the most space-saving convection oven on our list. This one is a great fit if you want solid cooking space without taking over your counter. It has a compact countertop design, but the inside still gives you room for real everyday meals. You can fit 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, a 9-inch by 11-inch bake pan, 1 pound of fries, or even a whole 5-pound chicken. You're not giving up much in capacity. You can make toast in the morning, crisp up snacks later, or cook something more filling when you don't want to use a full-size oven. And the air frying is a big part of the appeal too. The Quantum air fry mode is made to cook faster while circulating air evenly for crisping and browning. It can cook 1 pound of frozen fries in under 12 minutes, which is great for quick sides or snacks. You also get 5 cooking modes, including air fry, bake, convection bake, broil, and toast. So it's not just compact, it's actually versatile. Now, the controls are simple too. You can cook for up to 30 minutes, use stay-on mode when you need more time, and adjust the temperature from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it includes 5 accessories, including a deluxe air fry basket, bake pan, broil rack, oven rack, and front slide-out crumb tray. So if you want more cooking room in less counter space, the Hamilton Beach Quantum is an easy choice. Number 5 is the Cuisinart Air Fryer. This is the best with an air fryer on our list. This one is perfect if you want crispy air-fried food without keeping a separate air fryer on your counter. The air fryer is built right in. You get that crisp texture in a convection oven setup that feels clean and simple. And the main feature here is Air Advantage technology. It uses a top fan and heater assembly to move hot air around the food. That helps you get fast, crispy results while keeping the flavor locked in. You also get 8 functions, including air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warm. So you can use it for breakfast, snacks, dinner, and quick reheating. Now, the capacity is really useful too. You can toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. And the controls keep things simple. You get an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector. The temperature range goes from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's what Nancy says. For me, this is the perfect size for my kitchen counter. It does everything that I need. Air fryer, toaster, and oven all in one. It's easy to use. I really like it. It did get some air fryer sheets for it. Also, it's a good value for the money. So if you want air frying built into a convection oven, the Cuisinart is a great pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the convection ovens discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Toshiba AC25C EW-BS. This is the best with rotisserie on our list. This one is a strong pick if you want rotisserie cooking in a countertop convection oven. That's the feature that really makes it stand out. You can use the rotisserie function for a whole chicken, and the oven already includes the rotisserie kit and lifter. But there's more to it than rotisserie. You also get 10 cooking functions, including toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, defrost, reheat, rotisserie, keep warm, and convection. So you can use it for a lot more than quick toast. And that makes it feel flexible for everyday cooking. You can warm leftovers, bake cookies, make pizza, toast bread, or cook a small meal without turning on a full-size oven. The capacity helps too. The 25-liter interior can fit up to 6 slices of bread, an 11-inch pizza, casseroles, cookies, and up to a 4-pound chicken. Plus, you also get 1,500 watts of power, along with adjustable temperature control from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It can maintain consistent heat for up to 2 hours, which is helpful when you're cooking something that needs more time. And the controls are easy to follow. The 3 control knobs have large, high-contrast LCD displays. You can check your settings quickly. So if you want rotisserie cooking in a versatile convection oven, the Toshiba AC25CEW-BS is the one to look at. Number 3 is the Breville BOV900BSS. This is the smartest convection oven on our list. This one is all about smarter cooking control. The main feature is Breville's Element IQ system, which uses 5 independent quartz elements to send power where it's needed. So instead of heating everything the same way, it adjusts the cooking environment based on what you're making. And that's really useful if you want more consistent results. It also has digital PID temperature control to help reduce cold spots and keep the heat more precise. You also get super convection with a 2-speed convection fan. That gives you regular and super settings. You can basically choose the airflow that fits your food. Super convection can cut cooking time by up to 30%, which is great for air frying, roasting, and dehydrating. Plus, there are 13 cooking functions too, including toast, bagel broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. And the capacity is generous. It can fit 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, most 9 by 13-inch pans, and 12-cup muffin trays. So if you want smart cooking control with real versatility, the Breville BOV900BSS is the one to get. Number 2 is the Panasonic Home Chef. This is the best Splurge convection oven on our list. This one is a great pick if you want something more premium and flexible. The big highlight is the 7-in-1 cooking setup. You get convection bake, steam convection bake, air fry, slow cook, ferment, and sanitize in one compact oven. And the steam feature is what makes it feel different. You can combine convection and steam to help improve texture and flavor. That's great for fluffy cakes, juicy meats, vegetables, fish, and everyday reheating. You also get 2 levels of smart steam, which helps lock in nutrients while cooking. Then when you want crispier food, the air fry mode gives you that lighter crunch with less oil. Now, the ferment mode is another nice touch. You can use it for homemade yogurt, and the slow cook mode is helpful when you want something easy and hands-off. And the size is practical too. The 0.7 cubic feet interior can fit a 10-inch pizza, a whole fish, or a small chicken. And after cooking, the easy clean interior helps make cleanup simple. So if you want a compact convection oven with steam and premium cooking options, the Panasonic Home Chef is worth the splurge. Number 1 is the Ninja Foodi XL Pro. This is the best overall convection oven on our list. This one gets the top spot because it brings power, capacity, and versatility together really well. The main feature is true surround convection, which gives you up to 10 times the convection power compared to a traditional full-size convection oven. And that means faster, crispier, and more even cooking. It also has a 90-second preheat time and can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional full-size convection oven. So when you want food done quickly, this one makes life easier. You get 10 cooking functions. including air fry, air roast, bake, whole roast, broil, toast, bagel, dehydrate, reheat, and pizza. You can use it for breakfast, snacks, meal prep, and bigger dinners. And the capacity is another major win. It has 2-level even cooking with no rotating needed. You can fit a 5-pound chicken with a sheet pan of vegetables, 2 12-inch pizzas, or a 12-pound turkey. It also delivers up to 30% crispier results and up to 50% more even baking results compared to a leading countertop oven. So if you want the strongest all-around performer, the Ninja Foodi XL Pro is the best overall choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect convection oven. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each convection oven. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.